Hey you guys, if you want to see how I created these super cute little embellishments using the flowers that I made, and if you didn't watch that tutorial, I'll link it up here and at the end of the video, so you go check that out. This is the flower I made using a heart-shaped punch. I'm going to use some scraps, different widths, so tiny attacher, glue, scissors, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to like stagger these scraps of paper. I'm also going to do a fishtail in the middle. You can see there on all three of them. And I'm also going to staple them. Like I said, I'm going to stagger them and staple them, and then also add a little bit of glue. These are great to use up scraps. Great way to send them off in friend mail, happy mail, make them as bag toppers. You know, you can do so much with these. So as you can see here, I'm adding a little bit of glue just so they won't move around too much. You can flare up the ends if you like. Some people do that. I'm going to trim a little bit of the end part there. And then this is some lace that I got from Ada the Paper Treasury. She gave me some. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to glue them right there just to give it some like color and texture and all of that. And place it right there. Super cute. And then I'm gonna look at my sentiment stickers that I'm running low on. These white ones here. I'm also gonna make a fishtail there with my scissors. Also, I'm gonna add some foam tape. How many times I said also? Yeah, so I'm gonna add some foam tape on the back there. These are from Dollar Tree, and I just cut it in half. And I'm going to place it there so it can give a little bit of dimension. And then I put like regular glue behind it, but I meant to put hot glue. But you'll see that in a second. I'm seeing how I'm going to like everything. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue, hot glue, to my flower. Place it where I want it. Hold it there for just a second so it can dry up. Then take the backing off the stickers. Or the foam sticker. See, I put this, but then I realized, wait a minute, there's fabric there, might not attach. So let me put hot glue on there. And then just add it right there, tuck it in some. And then I'm just going to add a cute little heart-shaped bling. And isn't that so cute? You can do a lot more to this. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure it doesn't fall off. I'll put it right there on the side. Oh, and this is just a piece of scrap I'm going to put in the back just to give it more sturdiness. So then I can just add my adhesive back there, my little foam adhesive. Sorry for the background noise. That's my son truly coming up in here. A little bit of glue. And there you have it. You can place it on, like, you know, cardstock, put it in a cute little baggie. Send it off in some happy mail, or you can make it without the ribbon and without the bling. You could just, you know, keep it a little bit more simple. But there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys give it a try. Tag me if you do, and I'll check you guys on my next one.